They're holding hands.
Ah. No, that's not what they're doing,
Two
Jim.
men holding hands.
They were holding hands.
Two male monkeys holding hands.
That's a funny looking hand. He's got a big thumb then.
That's the reason it's not growing as it should, huh?
Look at that monkey with a big thumb.
Got the big what?
Thumb, he's holding hands.
Oh, I thought you did something else.
Uh-oh.
What was that? Do you need a lift?
Yeah. Oh, you got?
Uh-oh.
I got some.
We got a couple of oars on board.
Patrick, watch what you photograph.
Why? I don't have to. I'm an expert. I'm on automatic. At least I have it on record and not standby.
Huh?
Another one that's been foreclosed. It ain't all that interesting. You're being rude again.
Oh my God. I just have to, I need to put something on her.
I said we had a couple of oars on board. That's not what I meant.
He said he needed gas, so I went, my gas won't go in your gas.
You're having way too much bloody...
Gas, I have gas.
Too much bloody fun back here.
That you needed a good laugh.
Yeah. I think he'd soon have some gas.
Woo! All right, Jane, that's it. Shut it off. I will use this.
Galatine's got the plane.
Never done one of
Ah. Oh yeah.
the gal here in the
Cutting oysters.
Patrick.
What?
Basically coming up to Don here and like got like red coconuts or something on her top.
Oh.
Can we check?
Hawaiian dress probably.
We'll go pee and get a drink.
Yeah.
See what happens.
Yeah, the time I had money in my butt. Those other two had money in my behind.
Well, I haven't got any money. Who's got any money? Anybody got any
I
money?
had money and I changed hands.
Anybody got money?
I would have bought everybody a drink, but I don't.
I thought we were going to the golf.
Wait, I ain't got a credit card. Jeez, my
There
God,
ain't I'm filming, darling.
No, it's in my behind, but it's back there where I changed.
You said we're going to the golf. There ain't much to spend money on at the golf. My kind of place. That's my kind of place. Still chucking oysters. Oh yeah, kayaks. There's where you get your kayak.
Sure, you get this.
Where?
There's a whole load of kayaks over there.
Oh, okay.
Why do that man was saying? Woo!
Well, that was good. You don't want to make these too long because